Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve an equation with variables on each side. Solve for m minus 272 equals negative 12m. To do this, we need to combine all of the variables on one side of the equal sign. Since the left side has a term with a variable and a term without the variable, it will be easier to move the term with the variable to the right side so that we can combine them. It gives us fewer steps in calculating to isolate the variable. We need to look in front of the term with the variable. Here it's a positive 4m. It might be tempting to see the negative sign here or the subtraction sign and think that we will need to add a 4m. However, this negative is in front of the 272. In front of the 4m is a positive sign, so the opposite to negate that will be to subtract 4m from both sides. On the left side, the positive 4m minus 4m cancels out, and we're left with negative 272. On the right-hand side, negative 12m minus 4m gives us negative 16m. Now that we've combined all of the terms with a variable together, we can go ahead and continue isolating the variable by finding all the operations around it and doing the opposite to negate it. Here we have negative 16 being multiplied to the m, so the opposite will be to divide by negative 16 on both sides. Negative 16 divided by negative 16 cancels, so we're left with m. We've now isolated the variable, and that was our whole goal. On the left side, negative 272 divided by negative 16, a negative divided by a negative is positive, and 272 divided by 16 gives us the answer of 17, so the answer is m equals 17. However, we should always go ahead and check to verify that we did all of our operations correctly. So we substitute our answer, 17, back into the original equation, 4m minus 272 equals negative 12m. And we'll substitute what we got, 17, in for each of the variables to see if it holds true. So we have 4 times 17 minus 272 equals negative 12 times 17. Using the order of operations, we need to multiply first. 4 times 17 is 68 minus 272. And negative 12 times 17 is negative 204 in my calculator. On the left-hand side, 68 minus 272 in my calculator gives me negative 204, which does equal 204. This means that the number that we substituted in for the variable of 17 makes the equal sign hold true, or gives us a true statement. And this means that our answer of m equals 17 is correct, and so we're all done.